Might be a little quiet. How about now? Better. Yeah. Okay, that works. Hey everybody, gang's all here. Okay, so I'm gonna be streaming, as you can tell, and what we're gonna be doing today is doing some developing supernatural mod for CK3. Let me message this person back. That'd be great. Real Dlonem live. What's up, Lingy Wingy? Ling Ling, if you will. Cool. All right. So actually, the delightful Wickret over here, boom, has made 2 files for little old me to replace in on actions direct. All right, let's look at this. To replace it. Okay, so what we're gonna do. Hopefully, I still have Beyond Compare. What I want to do. Downloads. Left. Ah, crap. No. Select left. We're looking for Supernatural, which is Paradox, K3, mod, PN, this guy, this one, compare. If anybody has any questions, feel free to comment on this video, both live and not live. I will do my best to help you out if you have your own coding questions. That was not my... So this piece of software is called Beyond Compare. It's a little bright. This was created for Supernatural by Ricey/Wicret so that their traits could get XP every year. That way they can get some experience. That way you don't have to rely solely on doing little hunts, but rather you can approach it this way. So 1 XP per year for vamps. I don't know. We're refs. There we go. Okay. To add in events directory. Okay. So Beyond Compare compares one file to it. You can do B. You get the idea. Okay. So we're gonna add this guy. There's a button to compare. Shows the diff. There's no difference now. Sweet. So we close that. And now the other thing is in events. I'm gonna put this in supernatural events, I think. Yeah. Since it's supernatural related. Documents. I said one thing and I opened another. And I would like to look at this one because they said 1 XP per year for vamps, werewolves, and hybrids. You can modify it or use as you want. I love this little thing, dude. So much. Oh. It's a hidden event. Thank you, Ricey, for this, by the way. I've been meaning/wanting to do this, but I just haven't. Immediate, every living character, as long as they have one of these traits, it will trigger this event. And this event is right here. And that will trigger or So basically, one of these, this or this, etc. You get it. And as long as they have the trait vampire werewolf hybrid, there's 2 hybrids. Oh, because they're lycanthropy and vampirism. That was smart on their part. Trait track value is less than 100. It will proc because you don't want to just keep giving XP. All right. So if one of these criteria are met and one of this, trigger event days. So basically once a year. That's what that's saying. And as long as all that's met, immediately, if they have vampire and trait XP, trait track vampirism 1. Yeah. Trait track lycanthropy 1. If does it give it to both? I am okay giving it both. Yeah, alright. No, my only pause is that so every year, both XP bars right here, both XP bars are gonna be getting 1 XP. And part of me is like maybe it should like alternate or like be random. But I don't know if I'm really feeling like implementing that. This is truthfully fine, you know, until it's not. So I like it. This looks good. Let's test it. Wait. We have to. I love Ricey Wickret. There's no but. The only thing I want to mention is sometimes the way the file is saved. Oh, no, they got it. They're way ahead of me. Wait. I asked them if they wanted to see my other ideas. Because they so graciously did this for us. Okay. The mods are... Alright. Let's see what we got. Okay, only 1. Cool. We're going to launch it in debug. So what we're going to do, we're going to set up a vampire, werewolf, and a hybrid in surrounding kingdoms. And we're going to go into observer mode to test this. Yeah. Straight up. I'm going to go deaf, though. By choice. Part of me wishes I shared this, but worst case, I think I'll do this twice. So, crash. Fence. Live stream. Mod for CK3. Insert. Blank. Wonderful. Oh, the game's still loading. Oh my. Oh my word. Okay, new game. 1066, whatever. Alrighty. Let's do the three Spaniard King Spaniards. You get the idea. We're gonna do Patricia the man. Patricia's the man. Vampire. Submit. They're gonna look identical. Alexander, gonna name him Werewolf. Since this is, it's gonna be a quick test, but it's not gonna be like super quick. Maybe like what, 5 minutes? Do we want to do this for hunters? Maybe. Shit. Yeah, we might do that. Hybrid, because hunters also have, you know, tracks. Or should they only be XP based or event based? Because my thought here, if you're a vampire, you're living with vampirism. With werewolf, you're living with lycanthropy. So like you're getting skill, you're gaining that skill, because you're living. But with hunter, monster hunter, they're not living like they might not be exuding monster hunter traits every day. So I think we're gonna. That was a good idea on their part, leaving that out as well. Hybrid. I'm just gonna hit start, and then I'm gonna hit go to Starver. There we go. And then I will unleash them. So ideally, what we will be seeing, this current level 0, we'll say like 1 in a year's time, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna sit here with King Patricia for the next year. I think it's already been 2 years in game. All right, so ready? Oh, you see that? We got free XP. Sick. Logically, we should see the same for this guy. Yeah. I do want to balance hybrid a little bit because I feel like their prowess is redonkulous. Or also their thing gets messed up. Level 3 of lycanthropy gives intrigue instead of martial. So kind of want to change that. And I know there's like the thing with werewolf. Was it what's up, koala? Koala. Oh, okay, yeah, he's getting that, and he's already been deposed. Disposed. All right. Well, we tested what we wanted to test, so let's go ahead. The other thing I want to test is I want to look at the logs and see if there's new errors that were created because of this. Only. All right. We'll look right here. It's gonna be something to do with anything new that was just added, and I'm not seeing anything, so we might be good. Thank you very much, Ricey, for developing that script for us. Sweet. Okay. Is there anything here that we can work on? You want to take me away from all of this? You should be free tomorrow. Well, yeah, that would take me minutes, hours, I should say. But we'll do at least. I want to do. Like I said, I want to balance hybrid a little bit. So we're gonna go back to the mods. So hybrid, the trait. Now we look for traits. Traits. SPN traits. We're gonna go over here. Node plus plus. We got vampirism with each of its tracks. All right, let's find our friend, our Lord and Savior, hybrid. Yes. Yeah. Copy that. Paste over. Easy as that. Where do you want to take me? Out of curiosity, of course. So, okay, so here's the other concern that makes me think I don't want to work on this hunter thing just yet. Because in CK2, there was this organization mechanic, like societies. Um, and I could wholeheartedly see them integrating a society, type system in CK3 at some point down the line. Like that's honestly going to be probably like quarter two 2024. At the earliest. So we're actually going to hold off on that. So what I'll do, I want to get personal. I want to edit that. I want to add a comment, which is literally a hashtag apparently. Hold off. Paradox may create a society's function concept part. Yeah, we're gonna do concept. Weird fix it out. Okay, that's what that was. Cool. All right, that a lot is gonna take a hot second to do. I am curious though, in terms of getting nitty and gritty with it. Um, for activities, right? So what we'll do here. Ha, it's funny. Thank you. Windows 11, everybody. That works. Okay. 86. Steam. Apps. Workshop. Content. This one. All right, we need to find. Wait, no, we actually want the game. I want to see how they write their activities. I just want to see how in depth that job would look like, because as of right now, we have feeding as a decision, which is how we implemented the original activity for going out and feeding. And I want to rewrite that to utilize the activities. All right. Where, if I were activities, I would probably be in the activities folder. Locales? Is this like different location? Oh. All right, we're probably not gonna mess with that. Activity type? Okay. So this is what this is gonna look like. Okay. I can do like some implementation right now, because I do want to add this. So we're gonna call it activities. I have one already? Bruh. Oh, I think it's because of a ricey activity type. Which ritual? Rich. You get the idea. I kind of feel goofy now. Vampire feeding. Feeding or hunting? We're gonna call it hunting, or technically werewolf hunting. Which is more appropriate? Like if you had to choose one for one, werewolf hunting or werewolf feeding. Yeah, we're gonna do vampire feeding and werewolf hunting. Werewolf hunting. We should have a hunter hunting one. Hunter hunting. Wait, it should be called hunter monster hunting. I should probably put an underscore, huh? Hunter monster hunting. Hopefully these won't like create errors. I mean, they're empty, so right? Hunter witch hunting. And I think it was another one. We got vampire feeding, werewolf hunting. I think werewolf gathering. Werewolf gathering is the other one we wanted to do. Cool. And obviously I'll look into that eventually. Activity invite rules. Which effect? Oh, because this one's supposed to overwrite theirs. Oh, that's not what we wanted. Activities. Intense. You have to have intense. This is gonna take a minute to implement. I honestly, I'm gonna look into ChatGPT before I actually try to do it for myself. Be like, maybe they can do it, you know? Hunt intense. Oh, intense pilgrimage. So, as of right here, we have 5 different ones. Should I make one supernatural intense? Wait, how's that gonna be read? Okay, there's no education here. We're good. Damn it. No, there is. But it doesn't read like that, so it doesn't matter. Hence, werewolf hunting intense. Well, to be frank there, I mean, what their intent is to hunt. Unless we have like a feature to what's the word? To turn somebody? That could be interesting. To like forcibly like randomly turn something. That would be kind of fun. Do vampire feeding intense. Okay. Hunter witch hunting intense. That's a folder. Hunter witch hunting intense. Hunter monster hunting intense. Alright. So this is just setting up like just really core stuff. And what I want to do here, can I edit them all? Cool. 8 bomb. Save. 8 bomb. Save. This way we can guarantee there won't be any like errors in the whatchamacallit. Damn it, I need another one. Alright. Werewolf gathering intense. Encoding 8 bomb. Save. Okay. Gonna go back to activity types. We're gonna open all of these and then change their encoding type. This is just for, you know, making sure the error log is as clean as possible. Save. Save. So, welcome everybody who's new to watching the stream. What we're going to be doing is just, more development of Supernatural mod. For this stream, we're going to be just doing some more foundational stuff, which is just kind of like getting the files in place, getting our ideas, partially there in the mod. That way, whoever wants to, I don't know, look at the files, they can see the intent, the upcoming intentions. Unfortunately, the activity intention might be a little, what's the word? Ambitious. I would like to see if the error log produces any errors for blank files. There it is. Just go and hit play. I love you. I want to take you away from all this. Thank you, Andy. Alright, we're just going to look at our phone while we load in. Apparently, I'm live. That's crazy. Alright, cool. The phone back on the ground. Oh, so yeah, we're going to see if we get any errors. 19 lines of errors. But I'm not seeing anything about, I'm curious if you have to be in the game for it to. See, this is Dick Stuckula. We're gonna try that. Find high German teacher. I usually learn from somebody who isn't that, high. I'm just teasing. Oh, so far so good. Although, I'm not sure if it's gonna show any errors if we don't have a supernatural trait. So we're gonna do that real quick. Even though, technically, the new files wouldn't know. We're just gonna double check. We're just gonna make sure. Ah, it's a very Christian name. Job. No, okay. Yeah, okay. Any errors? Nope. Sick. Edit game. It's desktop. Okay. So, now that we've confirmed that won't cause any issues, what I do want to change is some localization, which would be the version info. Now I need to verify what the current version of CK3 is. Where is it? I'm totally missing it. There it is. Or, like, what my current version of CK3 is. Oh, change notes. What are you? It'd be 2.3. 2.03. Let's check the Discord. Maybe I put it there. No. I'm funny for that. Supernatural change notes. Ah, discuss it in the discussions. Nice. Okie dokie. Alright. Yeah, so we're gonna be on the 2.4. Content. We're going to tell Steam to stop showing us what's going online. They don't need to see this. Where were we? Right here. 2.4. Leave that as is. Okay. So what we'll take off here. I think this is going to be the next big supernatural update. Is added activity. I did not even anticipate doing this. Added activities for supernaturals. The werewolf hybrid. Am I gonna do hunter? There's so much writing for that. I'll honestly just have ChatGPT do that. Okay. And the other thing, we just did it. Added XP gain. Added yearly XP gain for supernaturals main trait track. Oh. And then over here, minor trait balancing. Various fixes, see change notes. Continuous fixes. Alright, cool. Maybe I'll make a video on how to develop a mod for CK3 using ChatGPT. Okie doke. Go back to our little channel. Oh. Okay, so how would I like go about doing this? Let's look at how they do an activity. Activity tour. Sure. Should I like comment everything out? Okay, so what's gonna be okay, the hunting is probably what's gonna be the best thing to use as a reference for supernaturals hunting. Personally, I want to work with vampires first, just because I don't know. It seems like the vibe or whatever. There's 3,000 lines of code. Oh my god. Yeah, I might end up seeing if I can pump all this into ChatGPT and then say what this is and then what I want to make it into. Activity, vampire hunting is shown. Ooh, trigger if cool. Should we do this one? I feel like everybody should be able to see it. Here, we'll comment this out. Can start showing failures only. Can start is available adult? Yes. Can hunt trigger? Yes. Wait, what's this trigger though? It's gonna be a long time that we're gonna be working on this, and I'm not sure if I have the attention span for this evening. Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the stream short for this evening. Just gonna be a short 35-minute stream. Thank you so much for everybody who watched, and I will be posting updates in the Discord for all of the progress that I make. So thank you again, and thank you for supporting Super.